Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to make an unboxing of the, I don't know what, because I've got a few parcels. So maybe we're supposed to start from boots from Zalando. Okay, let's open it. See, very easy. Open it by the heel. Really cool. You don't need any scissors. Okay, from Zalando I've got, of course I bought it and I pay for it, just to make it clear and just to make sure. Okay. No, I don't know if I want to open them first. Maybe. So that is gonna be boots number 1. Then I've got some tops from BERSHKA, and this is the leather top. For summer I think will be good, or you can wear it with anything. So I will try to, I like it. I've got size small, extra small size it is also available, but I think that looks really good. And do you know, it is very good quality, like for the faux leather. And I've got a hat, so okay. You know, this hat I think will match with this top. What do you think? It is a little bit different, but can you see it? I will change in a minute to show you. Okay, so we've got first boots. They are semi-London. So let's make the unboxing first of the semi-London, or maybe this. I don't know. Okay, semi-London tomorrow, because I think that I have to try them on with skirt. And I will change tomorrow and I will make this video tomorrow. Then we have the hat, so hat I will just try on instantly. Oh, it's too small. There is like one size, but excuse me. Not for my head, you know, big head, big brain. Ugh, that's like for a child. Unfortunately, no, that could be good, but unfortunately not for me. So maybe the top will be okay. Now the boots. Whew. Okay, boots. Oh. They are from BERSHKA. And I have to say that they are not super high heel, but they look quite good, you know? I will show you them closer. I think that they are so nice, like for the winter boots, of course not for the big snow, because I know that for the big snow, the heel, it is just like hiking on the mountain. So I've got size 39, because better take your size sometimes if you are not sure. I don't know if I will keep them. I have to say that they are very well made. Of course, most of these boots, the biggest advantage of them, it is that a fur trim around the top of the boot. It is really wonderful. I wish to have boots like this in the white color. Just for the white snow, I think that the white or creamy color could be very, very beautiful. So they will be, of course, the white leg, as you can see. I don't think so that probably make them trim will be very easy, because you can see it is something like you can put on the top. So actually, if you will find any socks with the trim like this, you can make it with any of your boots, that full trim. And well, that maybe I can try. We have to check. So I will bring my leather jacket, leather winter coat that I've got, and we will try if this coat it is really well matched, because how many papers inside, just only in the one boot, you know, just I don't have it there. No, definitely there is nothing there. Let's try them on. I believe they will be too big, but I don't care. I wanna try them on. If they will be nice enough, probably I will keep them, because they cost really like, I don't know, 60 euro, something like this. I know it is not maybe super cheap, but for the boots that you would like to keep and they will be comfy, that's good. But they are not real leather. Not real leather, unfortunately, but they look so cute. So I've got this jacket, and I think that this fur is gonna be a perfect match, don't you think? Just I wish that the leather on my jacket could be that shiny, but do you remember my reserved, the fur coats video? Now I regret that I sent back this coat, because this coat has actually the same leather, like, of course, the faux leather, but still leather, like this boots, so that could be a perfect match with the jacket. Anyway, it is fur, and I will make a try on like this, so I hope it's gonna be really great. If you worry about the high heels, that they maybe are too high, not comfy for walking, they are incredible comfy. Even my fur microphone match really good. Okay, we can have it like this. Do you know, with it I supposed to have my nice gloves with the fur too, and I've got them in my pocket, so fur everywhere. Not too much fur everywhere. What do you think? And I've got a belt and another glove. Is that not too much fur around me? I put one glove with the fur just to make the sleeve like the fur trim sleeve, and then we have the boots with the fur too, but maybe it is too much. Maybe just the coat without any fur would be better. I'm not really sure about this outfit. Let me know, what do you think? I always dream about the boots with the fur trim just like this, and for this price they are really okay. They are really comfy for walking. The heel, it is like really cool. If you're thinking about boots that they will be good, that they are really fine. And also I know that they are quite wide, but for the shoemaker it's gonna be very easy to fix it and to trim. Just, you know, with the boots like this, I feel like my legs, they are even more skinny than they are. Can you see this? It looks like two sticks. But I love it anyway. It is really okay. But you will see, of course, on the cutaways and the sides. So let me know, what do you think about this outfit. Probably with the skirt they will be also cute, so I will put the skirt on, and maybe we can try with different coat. Do you know, I had a full coat in the past, but I don't know where is it. I just had to put somewhere, and I can't find it now. But as soon as I will find it, I will try to make side video. Because it is so hot right now for me, I put this leather top for the summer, and I have to say that I will keep it no matter what. I love it. It is perfect. We have the side zip that I didn't know, so I put this top without the side zip. I've got size small because you have to remember that Bershka and Stradivarius, they've got the clothing line like for the teenagers, like for the, you know, this is like sister of Zara, the Stradivarius and Bershka. So this is all the Inditex brand, but you have to remember that they have always like size down, so you have to go size bigger. Like I've got usually size extra small from Zara, and from Bershka and Stradivarius I've got always like size small or medium. Depends from the style, of course, but this top, it is also available in the brown color, and I think that I have to order more. So as you can see, Bershka, really cheap. You can also find similar trousers there in the many colors. Just you can try find something, but oh my god, this top, it is wonderful. I will keep it because I don't have enough tops, I think. This will be great with any blazer you will put on. So with this blazer, I think that looks so good. I really love this vibe. So you can wear everything in the same fabric, which is leather, and this whole outfit. Especially I love these buttons, and I wish that this top can be real leather, but I can't explain you how good fabric is. Not smelly at all, because sometimes we've got like fish smell, and what I don't really like. I don't think so that is a, maybe someone like it, like the fish smell, but I don't. What is a problem with the boots like this? When we have zip through whole boot, just a full zip, this fur trim will be a problem with this zip, because this zip may stuck in this fur trim. So in my opinion, these boots should be made with the half zip. I believe that the full zip, it is maybe easier to make, I'm not sure, but half zip, so like this length of the zip should be there, because like I say, this fur will stuck for sure in this zip, and you will get problem one day. Maybe you will just, for now it is okay, but in the future, one day, or maybe it's not gonna be okay. Yeah, they're a bit pointy, but I still like them. I think that they are very beautiful, and the faux leather, it is not like stinky, bad looking. It is very good, and in my opinion, everything about these boots, if you're looking for a cheap, nice, cool boots for the winter, they will be really good, and I can recommend you them. Like for this price, bargain. This outfit just make me feel like I supposed to keep these boots. Maybe in the camera they don't look that good, but I think that outdoor that could be perfect. I'm not sure yet with the nice short fur coat will be perfect with it, but just the white shirt with this beautiful real leather Karen Millen skirt, it is so good. I really love it. So let me know if I should keep these boots or send them back. Maybe I should keep and trim them a little bit just for the perfect fit. I really like them. They are really something great. They could be also brown, dark brown with the dark brown full trim. That could be wonderful. And if you're looking for really cheap and nice boots, which will be comfy for walking, with the high heel, pointy, with the fur, they are really good. So I'm happy that I can show you boots that they are also cheap and worth it. I hope that you subscribe, and I hope you will watch the video tomorrow too, because tomorrow I will try to make another unboxing. I've got 2 more pairs of boots to show you. So thank you so much once again, and see you soon in the next video. Bye.